Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, I am also fine, students. Students, you have to attend the intersession class, okay, for accountancy and for commerce. Only that day, the previous day, only two students were there. All the others must be there. Okay, every day you please attend the class. Okay, now shall we come back to our lesson? The eighth lesson, financial statement analysis. In that one, yesterday we have learned about the financial statement, isn't it? So that is the introduction. Now we will learn what is financial statement analysis. Okay, financial statement, we know the two accounts. One is profit and loss account, including trading account. So trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. That balance sheet from the that income statement, profit and loss account is also called income statement. From the income statement we can find out the exact profit or actual profit or loss of the business operation. Then from the balance sheet we can ascertain the financial position of the business. Okay, so here what they will do with the financial statement analysis, this is our lesson. Okay, that we know analysis, isn't it? They will analyze the financial statement. That means the various items that are given in the financial statement, they will compare. That's all. Okay, comparison will be done between the various items of the either the income statement or the that balance sheet. Okay, so only then they can get better understanding about their operation business, how that they can understand easily. For example, this one sales, if we say simply 1 lakh or to 5 lakh rupees, then they should know for 5 lakh rupees for how many units of products are there and what is the price, everything we can know. If we know that number of quantity, only then we can say whether the that quantity or the sales amount is a reasonable amount or it is a profitable one. Okay, and what is the profitability, many things they will compare. Okay, that comparison will be done, and we can include this analysis and interpretation in the beginning of that accountancy class. No, in 11th standard you might have learned this one, interpretation, analysis and interpretation. This is what we are learning extra from the financial statement. From with the help of financial statement they will analyze and they will interpret. What is interpretation? They will explain the reasons for the variation. So first they will compare or they will analyze. That in many ways they will analyze the financial statements. Okay, once they have done the analysis and whether any deviation there, what is the reason for that less profit or more profit, whatever it is, they will analyze and they will write the explanation about for the reason of increase or decrease. Okay, that is called interpretation. Now, what are the objectives of preparing this financial statement analysis? What are the objectives? So we can that analyze the profitability, okay, or the earning capacity of the business. With the gross profit and with the net profit we will compare. Okay, so profitability can be analyzed. Then the solvency position of the concern. That solvency may be either the short-term solvency or the long-term solvency. Okay, then they can determine the efficiency of the organization or efficiency of the management or efficiency of the employees, or they can analyze the trend in sales and production, whether it is increasing trend or decreasing trend. Okay, so the trend will be analyzed. Then for the future planning and to take decisions or for preparation of budget, this analysis and interpretation will be useful. Okay, then they could do the comparison between firms or within the firm between different departments. Okay, so that can be done. Then what are the limitations? All the limitations related to the financial statements will be applicable for this financial statement analysis also. What are they? There we have studied everywhere, no, in accountancy itself, non-monetary information cannot be recorded, isn't it? Just they omit or they ignore the non-monetary transactions information, and price level increase will not be considered. Okay, changes will not be entered in the books of accounts. That is the main limitation. Then again we can say it is a means, not an end. Okay, what is the meaning of this means, not an end? Means it is only the way to prepare, but to calculate the profitability, but it is not the end. That means we are preparing the analysis, or we analyze them and we interpret them, and with that it will never come to an end. The organization, it's going on functioning, isn't it? It's going on operating throughout the life of the business. So this financial statement analysis, interpretation, everything is a means only, it is not an end. Then here the analyst, who will analyze the financial statement, analyst may be the expert people. So we need expert knowledge for the analysis of financial statement. And again, since they analyze, the experts analyze, their personal judgment is there, isn't it? It is fully up to his judgment only. What he says, we need to consider, isn't it? So that means his view of point will be different from any other person if he analyze and interpret, isn't it? So that is another limitation. There is personal judgment is involved in the analysis and interpretation. Now we will learn the tools of financial statement analysis. First one is comparative statement. Here only we are going to do the problems. Okay, comparative statement. Here both the statement, the income statement also we can compare, and the balance sheet also we can compare. Different years of the same organization or different firms also we can compare. Okay, and we have to 2 years or 3 years will be given. We need to write the increase or decrease with this sign, plus or minus. Okay, then we need to calculate the percentage of increase or decrease. Okay, that's all. It is very simple. Comparative statement. Okay, we will see the comparative statement of comparative income statement. Okay, the next one, comparative statement of balance sheet. Here only that percentage only will get little calculation. Okay, if you know how to calculate, it will be very easy. So we will start the exercise. Okay, number 1. So you turn to page number 286. 286. We will do the problem. I will read it out. From the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement. Comparative income statement of Arul Limited. You might have turned here. Revenue from operations. year, 2 years given, 15, 16 and 16, 17. First year 50,000, then next year 60,000. Then other income 10,000, 30,000. Expenses 40,000, 50,000. First we should know what is the statement of that income statement, how it will appear. Okay, revenue from operation, add other income. Okay, we will get the total income. Okay, total income, then less total revenue, we have to write total revenue less expenses, that is profit before tax. Okay, then income tax will be given, less income tax, then the last one is profit after tax. Okay, so we will do that problem in the notebook. Here 5 columns will be there. Okay, comparative income statement of Arul Limited. I will write fully for the first problem alone. Okay, exercise number 1. No, Arul Limited. Okay, particulars. Then first year 2015, 16. Then 2016, 17. Then absolute increase or decrease. Okay, increase plus, decrease minus. Here percentage of absolute increase or decrease. Okay, you have to write. So first one, revenue from operation. Here particulars. Revenue from operation. You write fully. Okay. 50,000. 50,000. Okay. Sorry, 60,000. So revenue from operation, then add other income. $10,000, $30,000. Add and write 60,000. Here 60 plus 3, 90,000. Okay, then this is total revenue. This is what you have to write extra. Total revenue. Okay, then next item, expenses, less expenses. 40,000, 50,000. Less 20,000. Here 40,000. This is profit before tax. Okay, now here we need to absolute amount of increase or decrease. Here 50,000, here increase. So plus 10,000. Okay, here plus 20,000. Okay, here plus 30,000 plus 10,000. here plus 20,000. Now only this much. Okay, this one only very important. We are going to calculate that one. Okay, to calculate the percentage, you should be very careful. Okay, here formula increase amount. You write at the top 10,000. What is the first years? Okay, 50,000 into 100. This is what the calculation. For 50,000, how much is the increase? 10,000. So for how much? For 100. That is a percentage. 40. 105. Then 1 5. 2 5s are 10. 0. So 20. Okay, for each and everything we need to calculate. Then the next one, you see, for 10,000, how much is the increase? 20,000. So for 100, 40, 40. So 200. Okay. Then this one, for how much? For 60,000 increase 30,000. In by heart also you can do. You can do in mind also. See the half, isn't it? For 60,000 30. So for 100 50 we will get. Okay, calculate and see. Here 60, isn't it? 6 1 5 6 are 30 50. Have you got 50? Okay, here you see, for 40,000 10,000. Here 4 1. So for 100 divided by 4, 25 we will get. Okay, 1 2 3 4 3 4. 25%. Then we have to write plus. Okay, everywhere plus. Then for 20,000 20,000. So no need 100. Isn't it? Okay, that's all you have to calculate. For this they may ask for 5 marks also or 3 marks. Okay, first problem over. Next the second problem. You read all of you. Just listen. From the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of Bharani Limited. Revenue from operations, other income, expenses, income tax. Okay, they have given. So here income tax is given. So we need to deduct that income tax from this profit before tax. Then we will get profit after tax. Okay, shall we do that second problem? Comparative income statement. Only one page only we need to use. Okay, this particulars. Here we need to write. Okay. Particulars. Year 2016, 17. 2017, 18. Absolute amount of increase bracket plus or decrease bracket minus. Okay, percentage of increase or decrease. First one, revenue from operation. Rightfully, okay, 30,000, 45,000. Then other income, you write add other income, 4,000, 6,000. Add and write 30,000, 34,000, 51,000. Then this is total revenue. Okay, then less expenses. $10,000, 15,000. So 44,000, 66,000. Okay, this is profit before tax. Less income tax. Income tax is not given, 30% only given. So we need to calculate 30%. 30% of this 44,000. So 44,000 into 30 by 100. Okay, 44 into 3. 20. 4 3s are 12. Balance 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 13,200. Then here also same, 66,000, isn't it? Here 3 6 are 18, balance 1, 18 plus 1, 19. 19,800. So we need to write less. So sorry. Done wrongly, isn't it? Less. I have added. Here 24,000. 24,000. 11 6 4 minus 1 3. Okay, 24. 4 3s are 12. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Here 36. So 3 6 are 18. Balance 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10,800. Here 7,200. So again we need to, sorry, you are not able to see. Okay, we need to deduct 0 0, 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 7, 13 minus 7 6. That's all. Here 1. Okay, here 0 0 2 5 2. This is profit after tax. Profit after tax. Now we will calculate the absolute amount of increase or decrease. Here plus 15,000. Okay, plus 15,000. For in mind also you can calculate. Okay, see, 30,000 divided by 2 of only 15,000, isn't it? So for 100 it will be 50. Okay, plus 50. Then here increase plus 2,000 plus 2,000. Here for 4,000 off, so plus 50. Increase only, no, plus. Then 34,000, 51,000. Increase. How much? 0, 0, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. Sorry. Increase only, no? Okay. Here from this one only we need to deduct, isn't it? 11 minus 4, 7. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, 17,000. This also, it is half of 34,000. So plus 50%. Then how much is increasing? Plus 5,000. We need to deduct this one from this one. Okay, plus 5,000. Here you see for 10,000, 5,000. Like this we have to write. For 10,000, how much? 5,000. So for 100. You see 10,000, 5,000 means half. So for 100 we will get 50. You see 40. Coming? Yeah, here on 0 we will cut, isn't it? So 5 into 10, 50 we will get. Here, increase, 12,000 increased, isn't it? So in how much has increased? 12,000. How will you calculate that one? You have to subtract this 24 from 36. Okay, that way only we need to calculate. So for 24,000 half only 12,000. So for 100 half 50. Here how much is increased? Deduct from this one. 0, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. 10 minus 7, 3. So again in 7,200 half of the amount is 3,600. So again 50%. Okay. Here you can draw line also. Up to this amount you can draw line. Fully you draw also no problem. Okay. Again you subtract. Plus only 0, 0. 2 minus 8. So 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 14 minus 6, 8. Again in half of 16,800 is 8,400. So the percentage is 50. For everything the percentage is 50. Okay. So I think you will find it easy only. Okay, this comparative income statement is easy only. Okay, now next one, third one I will read. From the following particulars, prepare comparative income statement of Daniel Limited. Revenue from operation, then operating expenses, then income tax of the profit before tax. So only one revenue, no other income. Okay, shall we do this one? 3. Prepare comparative income statement of Daniel Limited. So we should write comparative income statement of Daniel Limited. Okay, draw and write everything. Okay, particulars, everything you write. You will write 4 columns. First one, revenue from operation. 40,000, 50,000. Students, you have to write all the details, okay, in the column. 40,000, 50,000. Then operating expense less operating expense 25,000, 27,500. So less 15,000. Here 22,500. This is profit before tax. Profit before tax. Then less income tax. %, isn't it, on profit before tax. So profit before tax 15,000. In this amount 30%. Calculate. 15 into 3, 45. So 4,500. Then both 30% into 22,500. So 0, 5 into 3, 15. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 3s are 6. 6,750. Reduce. 5 0 10. Here 5 7. Okay. So this one, profit after tax. Now that absolute increase or decrease amount. Okay, first one, increase plus 10,000. Then this one also plus 2,500. Here plus 7,500 plus, need to subtract, isn't it, from this one, 5 7 minus 5 2, 6 minus 4 2. Okay, then 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 0 5. Okay, now percentage. For 40,000 10,000. So 25, isn't it? 1 by 4. Divided by 100 divided by 4, 25%. If you do like this, it will be very easy for you. Okay, you will not get any wrong answer. Then you see 25,000, 2,500. So one zero less, isn't it? So from 100, 1 0 less means how much we will get? 10%, isn't it? So here also you can write plus. Then 15,000, 7,500. This is half, isn't it? So plus 50%. Here 4,500, 2,250. This is half. So 50%. Here 10,500, 5,250. So half. Half of 100, 50%. Okay. So 3 problems we have completed. I think we will complete with this one. Then tomorrow we will see that comparative statement of financial position. Okay, today we have completed the income statement. Tomorrow we will see the balance sheet and the other method. Okay, other analysis step. Okay, three method only we are going to learn. Comparative statement, then common size statement, and trend analysis. Okay. Okay, students, you try to copy down all these problems in your notebook. Okay, thank you very much.